Ayos yung ano mo.
Wait, hold there. Hold southeast, hold southeast. I'm pulling. Kill this. Engage on this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop you fast. Use W on the other guards.
Invade, just engage.
Yeah.
Scavengers engage as well. Invade
Okay.
tight.
Okay.
They're pulling back to the Lord room.
Yeah. Spread on my northeast, ah.
Scavengers to northwest of the castle.
Wait, where they going? They're going out. Come southeast fast. Come southeast. Nag-tap out sila.
Scavengers is
Tapping out.
going in. Scavengers is going in.
OC.
Satos yung Satos invade. Wala
Come southwest.
Satos invade.
Pull the guard. Kill the guard. Use W
Mounted
lang.
up, invade.
Invade this one.
Sige.
Go back to the Lord room.
Kill
Scavengers
this guard. Kill the guards. Kill the guards. We hold here a bit, ah. Kailangan natin ma-1 yan, ma-1.
Pasira na yung wall dito.
Sige.
15% yung sa scavengers.
Hold nga. Come east.
Dismounted.
Nag-dismount na. Be careful over the wall, ah.
Sira na yung wall.
Hold dito kayo.
Sira na yung wall.
Looting yung perma sa ano
Okay, come northwest.
Get ready, di mo na. Get ready.
Balik na ako dyan yung AJ. Open na.
Okay.
Sige.
Kill the guards. Use W lang. Kill the guards.
Get ready, di
Use
mo.
W.
Sa likod ng scavengers May GA sa likod.
Sige. Bonk. Fast. Bonk. Patingin ako ng scavengers. Kung lalabas sila ng east side.
Kita po tayong kapanaw.
Nasa east side ako. Mounted
Sige.
na sila, nasa east side papunta dyan. Ikutan
Come
mo yun.
southeast fast. Come southeast. Abot ba? Ang ina di ata abot. Try nyo nga i-catch. Mga catch nyo.
Mounted.
East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On east. Kill this. Kill. Walang engage yan. Wala na yan. Kill it. That's nothing. Kill punish now. Kill him. We're gonna siege on Giga.
Patulong ako dito.
Yo, someone help pa. Yani.
Diba, patayin lang to. Sayang to.
Sige, right daw, mas buti yan.
Ino na KS pa yun ng router?
Okay.
Hindi.
Mount up. No. Come northeast. Fast. Regroup on me. Come northeast.
Wala.
Ping pa sila,
Wala pa sila.
kapit pa sila. They have GA, ah. Booster caller. Come northwest.
Palabas
Push na
sila.
pa natin? Right.
Palabas sila?
Palabas ang north.
Lumabas ulit.
Sige lang, we're gonna cap the castle, ah. Saan yung guard? Kill this guard.
Mabalik.
East. South. Use on W.
Coming back.
Use on W.
Regroup, everyone. Regroup.
Regroup here. They have, I think it's HOJ.
Yeah, may witch work
Use on
dun sa-
W,
Look at the
Use on W. Use on W
Going in
only.
sila.
Bring it southeast. Spread on southeast.
They're coming.
They're gonna
Wala.
try to look. Use on W lang. Don't be afraid. We have Demon.
Walang bedrock yan.
Sige
Wala
lang.
bedrock.
Ready?
You're looking now. Okay, walk in northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Go back. Use on W on guard. Sustain us. Blind. Reset heal.
You're resetting. May engage na
Yeah.
ako sinulat.
May engage na.
Ditang sa watch them.
just
Ingat kayo
looking.
dyan sa Hutch, ha. Huliin kayo ng Hutch. Mag-spread pa kayo. Southeast. Bring the guard southeast. Bring the Lord southeast. Kiss and W. Okay, don't be afraid. You're gonna look now. Impact up. We're gonna engage in northwest shallow. Wait, walk northwest a bit. Never mind, come back. Kill the Lord. Engage on the Lord. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the Lord. Okay, good shit.
Ready on to this part.
We need to kill this.
Laki mo lang.
Huwag kayo masyadong deep. Magpipil yan.
Coming back.
Pipil kayo
Coming
dyan.
back. Ready,
Yeah.
everyone.
I think they have
Ready
10
team mo na. Meron nang engage yan. Meron na yan. He's looking now. Guard runes.
Careful yung middle
Yeah. He's gonna GA and then he's gonna catch ya. He's gonna catch now.
Engage, mag-engage. Ay, na-stop.
No, that's fine. Okay. Wait, no, kill the guard! Kill the lord! No, come back! Kill the lord! Kill the lord, guys! Kill the lord!
Ano?
Putay.
Demon.
Demon yung longbow.
Kalok.
Ay.
Okay, napatay na.
Cap fast. They're gonna come out.
Random drop.
Don't random drop
Random
me.
Uy,
Bro.
nakita ko.
Ito nga, ulihin nyo nga to.
Ay, naku.
Back up. One cap. Cap it. We take defender side. Di tayo papalugi. Yo! Back up na namin, men! Putang ina, sino ba to? Kupal
Ano
naman
yan,
na ito.
Raptor?
Yeah, there's
Nag-mount up sila.
Regardless.
Mounted up na. Mounted up.
mag-mount up na. Umalis.
Uy, tong ina, nandinay, kupal.
Ano ba yan? Natakot.
Wait stay mounted.
Southwest. Nasa southwest sila, wrapping around. Southwest.
Yeah. They're just baiting. They want us to chase them.
Oh, okay.
Yo, Black. Rigira.
Wala pa rin silang DA.
They're just wrapping around. They're doing the Chinese technique, okay? Come courtyard.
Sayang.
Courtyard.
Matitis mo yung ano. Spirit Hunter.
They just wanna bait us.
Yeah, okay.
One city na ata. Sana yun.
They have bukol. Lugi tayo dyan pag hinabol natin yan eh.
Kahit pa.
Mabilis yan eh. Tanginang yan.
Ready, Demon na ready. Secret.
Super engage yan, no?
You know what?
Lang nila.
Southwest. Sige lang, come southwest. Let them bonk. Let them bonk. Come, Lord.
Careful sa
Yo,
CC.
be careful. Kiwato. Kaya kong ulihin yan, men. Nahihi ako.
Pwede sila mag-perma-engage.
Titignan ko pa kung may kakaiba sa comp nila na ano eh. Malay mo.
Andito yung Chentan. Scouting.
Ay, kawawa yan.
Mga sa sandwich yan. Uy, Donsong to.
How many percent gate?
Doon sa nga.
Si Donsong tong nag-i-scout. Hindi to ano, parang nandito yung Zerg nila sa northwest.
Kaya nga.
Hindi dito yung nag-i-scout ng Donsong.
Be careful ha. Be careful of which work.
Paano hintay lang pumasok yung scavengers?
They pulling guard.
Pasok na kayo. Open ko to.
Careful kayo sa taas ah.
Rotate northeast.
They're gonna bonk northeast wall ha.
Hindi na may oras pa ba sila?
Ewan ko dyan. Fix fight na lang to eh. Ayun nga yung Donsong.
Okay, Donsong yung nag-i-scout.
Sakto lang kinuha natin yan.
Ito, meron
Wala
dito
nating nalagay na.
full hammer sa southwest then.
Sige.
They still don't have DA. Baka nakakawal sila. Northwest. Or still...
Stay in Lord Room. 10 DA yan. Ayoko niyan ha. I look for engage ha. Di ma-engage on which work.
Di pa rin siya.
Passive mo, sweet. Passive.
Black,
ba't
where are
ano?
you bro? Where are you?
Lakan longbow.
Still missing longbow. Be careful ha. They're gonna engage on the gate.
Careful sa chest.
Be careful over the wall ha.
May color dog sitting GMC.
Nagka-Q1 na ako.
Among the third party itong Chentan.
Yeah.
Silver bugs lang kukunin ko ah.
Sige lang.
Black, where are you,
Para
Black?
makalaban pa.
Engage.
Yeah. Grabe engage sila. Nakawakan ako. Shallow nga, northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest.
Hindi tumawa. 19.8
They have engage again, They have engage again. Let them break.
May Artron
They're
ng
gonna try to
ano.
get up shallow. They're
Yan,
gonna
tama,
engage shallow. Sige lang.
May Artron ng Chenta. Nag-dismount yung isang Pola Armor.
Come northwest.
Wala pang DA ah. Wala pang DA. Hey, colored GMC.
They might engage shallow again. I'm just waiting for my Clerica. Nila magbong. Bigyan nyo nga hammer.
Nasalo nila yung paddle ko eh.
Matay yung ano, collar.
Still waiting for my longbow, bro. Where are you?
Hey, Tanuki, ah.
Nasa BWP na ata eh.
Man, I told you to bring 1+1 set ah.
3.85M na lang to.
They might engage shallow. No, they don't want. They were gonna try to pull us out. Come southeast. You're looking for shallow engage ah.
Ito po yung
Why they engage? Come northeast. Give me guard runes and choke. We're gonna engage in north in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On north. Drop this. Go back.
Ready, Demon, ready, Demon.
May engage na.
Hindi na,
We're gonna absorb. Come northwest. Ipahin na yan. 9 seconds. We're gonna engage in 9 seconds. We're gonna engage in northwest. No, go back now. Chentan is there. Chentan. Go back southeast. Go back south.
Northwest, they're dismounted
Go
northwest.
back south. Yeah.
They have,
Wait.
Yung
they have
ano.
whaling.
NTV.
They have
Ah.
whaling. Whaling with 3 scale.
Hinahabol nila, BJ, hinahabol nila.
Sige lang. Mount. No.
Basta sa gitna.
88.
Tapos yung color na ano, DBS Bigert. DBS
Ano
Gert.
DJ, itatakbo ko na ba to? 2M na lang yan nandyan.
Takbo mo yan, men.
Yeah, they have whaling.
Wala lang din tayo.
They have witchwork.
Stay mounted. No.
Same comp sila.
Same
May hodge, may witchwork. Pero mas
Okay.
marami.
I think we can fight this. They have 2 engages though. This month. You wanna fight guys or you wanna dip out?
Ayun,
Be careful
pasok sila,
be careful of the wall. Sige lang.
Ready,
May
Demon.
mag-stick sa bomb squad nila yung naka-miss warrior shoes.
Yeah. Where's my longbow, bro? I need range DPS, bro. Where are you?
Papay natin daw, BJ.
Yeah, I think so. What's their color?
Ready, Demon, ah. Look at
They
the...
have witchwork, they have hodge.
Okay, look northwest. Giga now. We're gonna engage in northwest in 5, 4, 3,
Patay na namin, no?
1. On me. Drop it on me. They're dead. They're dying.
Ready, Demon, ah. Ready, Demon.
Roll. Ready demon. Guide runes on choke. Keep pushing. They're fucking running. They're fucking pushing. Come on. West. Be careful. They still have engage. Come west. Be careful on choke. Wrap around. We're stuck scavengers. Hello? Southwest. Oh, come northeast. Go back castle. They're gonna keep up. We're gonna engage in southwest. In the shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow in southwest. Okay, go back northeast. Chentan is gonna look at us. Come northeast. Back castle. We play safe. We aura farming, bro. We arma farming. Hold. Info muna. Chentan, where's Chentan?
They're in this choke sa river.
They mounted up?
Northwest, no.
Or are they looking at each other?
No. May space sa gitna.
Mount.
They're still
Sige.
looking at each other.
Mount, guys.
Nagtitingin naman sila.
Mount.
Oh, sino yung
Southwest
badon
ng
kanina?
castle, yung scavengers, they're holding southwest of the castle. Tapos yung Chentan, same pa rin.
Sige lang.
Sa may northwest something.
Come southeast, come southeast, come
Malapit
east,
na
come
dito.
east, come east, come
Ay.
east. Si Listy pa uwi
Solid
na nga
yun.
yan, tol.
Solid yung badon niya.
May
no?
gagawin. Bago na ako.
Ubus yung kalaban.
Nag-engage on each other. Nag-engage sila sa isa't isa. Nag-engage sila sa isa't isa.
Dismount, 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 dismount,
Chentan pa
ground.
lang nag-engage
Dismount
ah.
on ground,
Chentan pa lang
dismount on
nag-engage.
ground. May engage yan ah. Step bro, be careful. Inch up, inch up, inch up. Get ready defensive, get ready defensive. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. They're gonna hold them sa choke, hold them sa choke. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come
Going
southwest,
south,
come
going
southwest,
south
come
in
southwest. We're gonna engage ah.
Nasa
We're gonna
north
engage.
yung
They look,
Engage,
they look,
engage.
they look, they look. We're gonna engage in northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me, northwest on me, northwest on me, northwest on me. Okay, brawl south, brawl south, brawl south, brawl south. I need detanks on northwest, I need detanks on northwest. I need detanks on northwest. Kill southwest, kill southwest, kill southwest ah. Kill southwest, kill southwest, southwest. I'm waiting for you, I'm waiting for you.
Looking
Hold this,
north.
hold this.
Looking north.
Sige, 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 sige. Kill this GA, kill this GA, kill this GA. Sige, sige, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast now, come northeast, come northeast. Naipit tayo ah. Naipit tayo, northeast, 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 northeast. Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang. We're going
Ready,
east,
Demon,
we're going
ready,
east, we're
Demon.
going east, we're going east, we're going east, we're going east. Be careful ah, be careful, be careful. This is their color, NTTV. Come north, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north. Hold, hold, hold. This is open world now. I need eyes on southwest ah. I need eyes on southwest. They fucked up. Come walk in northwest, walk in northwest, walk in northwest. Wrap around northwest, wrap around northwest. Wrap around northwest now, wrap around northwest. We're gonna engage in north in 5, in 4, in putang ina, bongka ko. 3, 2, in 1. Undercolor now. Undercolor. Go back
Ito yung
southeast, go
TV
back
nasa
southeast,
likod.
go back southeast, go back east.
They're looking.
We get ready defensive on west ah. Get ready defense on west. They fucked up. Come northwest. Brawl this guy.
Careful sa trap, ah. Careful sa trap.
Okay, be careful. Hold. Wala na scavengers, wala na.
Wala ata.
Sige.
May pa dito ng scavengers
Come northwest. They're gonna look and choke. We need to soak this one. Come walk in, guys. Big balls. Come north. Come west. They're gonna look now. Defense on east. Defense. Full defense. Now walk in. Guard runes and locus. Giga in if you can. We're gonna engage. Come on. Hold them. D-tanks. Please hold them. We're gonna engage shallow on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Na-DC ako. Hello? Come back.
Engage na sila.
Northeast. Go back to the crown. Go back to the crown.
Come back northeast.
Back to the crown. Now go back to the crown. DC color. Go back now. Go back. Fast.
Hello, rinig niyo ako?
Rinig.
Defense na. Pa-call nga. Yani, are you there?
Come northeast,
Wala,
come
wala
northeast,
akong color set.
come
Sino may color set?
northeast, come northeast, come
Ayun na.
northeast, come northeast, come northeast,
Hold
hold,
niyo lang. Masusok niyan. Kaya niyo isok yan.
Sige.
hold.
Ready to
Server,
stop the
guys.
Stop saying Katon. Don't say.
Just hold. Spread here. Hold. If they engage, walk in.
Pag
Hold. Just hold. Prepare defensives, hold.
Ready.
Okay yung Discord ko.
nag-hold sila lang sa southwest natin.
Sige lang. Connecting to server ang puta. Ano to?
Just hold.
Looking sila north. Careful.
Be careful ah.
Come back. Pull back.
Stay with crowd.
Just hold.
Ba't ayaw mag-verify status? Okay naman net ko.
Hold, boys, hold. Just hold.
Pag nag-logout
Login
ako,
ka sa
papasa
ibang
lang.
server. Login ka sa ibang server, BJ. Tapos,
Kamis now.
Balik ka.
Kamis. Just walk. Kamis.
Nag-logout na ako.
Pwede may mount up.
Just walk.
naglagot ka na.
Malayo?
Nahuli.
Keep walking. Just keep walking. Keep walking east. Go back to the castle.
Nag-engage yan.
Come back east more. Follow the sword, guys.
Dito na ako.
Come east.
Ay, malayo
Sila
yung
sa'yo na ano ah. Come east. Keep walking east.
Nakamount sila. Nag-dismount na sa akin oh. Iniwan nyo ako. Gago walang engage yan.
Come back.
Come back west.
Patay na ako. Go out, get out.
Kamis.
Get out, mount up.
Dapat iniwan si VJ doon.
Sabi go back castle daw eh. If no DC. Diba?
Okay. Na-DC na pala.
Hindi rin natin
Nawala ka.
Kasi ano,
Oo.
Nawala ako na DC.
Pati
mapapanis
mo, BJ.
yung pag nagstay tayo na matagal.
Dapat di ka
Sige
muna
na, get out na.